In this video, we are going to feature KHALEB Shawarma franchise business package ideas. KHALEB Shawarma, the leader in the Mediterranean fast food industry for 18 years, providing superior quality products and personalized intuitive customer service. KHALEB was established in 2003, owned and operated by Upscaled Foods Inc. as a partnership company and made into a corporation in 2006. It has quietly grown rapidly. 10 years after leading the Mediterranean fast food industry, KHALEB opened its doors for franchising opportunities, providing an unlimited potential of growth, backed with company's long story of tried and tested products and business system. Backed up with strong products, franchise system, and support, this shawarma franchise opportunity can offer its franchise partners with fast returns within 9 to 12 months. For the KHALEB products, KHALEB aims to provide superior quality products. They only use the best quality of meat and essential ingredients in its recipes to help the distinct savory flavor of the meat. The pita is soft, tender, and well prepared, while the seasoned rice will fulfill your appetite. Sauces are creamy and flavorful because they are made from a generous combination of ingredients. In addition, they use imported, authentic spices to add flavor to every serving of their meals. The following are their products. For the beef shawarma combo, Kal Pita Solo and Combo, Kali Rice Solo and Combo, Baked Shawarma Rice Solo and Combo. For the Double Deal Pita Packet, Beef Kebab Packet, Chicken Pita Packet, Pita Chips and Fries. And for the Rice Bowl, they have Beef Kebab Rice Bowl and Chicken Rice Bowl. For the franchise packages, the following are the 5 different franchise packages KHALEB offers to their franchisee and are renewable every 3 to 5 years. For the cart or kiosk, the franchise package is worth 850,000 pesos. For the counter, the franchise package fee is worth 950,000 pesos. For the pop-up, it is worth 1.3 million pesos. For the inline store, the franchise package is worth 2.7 million. And for the restaurant size is 3.2 million pesos. Space requirement, minimum of 4 square meter. The pop-up package is inclusive of 100,000 pesos worth of franchise fee, while resto package is inclusive of 200,000 pesos worth of franchise fee. For the additional franchise fees, the renewal fee is 50% of the prevailing franchise fee, and the general marketing fund is 2% of projected sales net of VAT, and the local marketing fund is 1% of the projected sales net of VAT. For the franchise package inclusion, number 1, complete architectural design, equipment, and signage. Number 2, construction. Number 3, training of employees with 2 sets of uniforms. Number 4, initial inventory. And lastly, number 5, inventory security deposit. The other responsibilities of the franchisee. Number 1, advance rental and lease security deposit. Number 2, store location fee. Number 3, allowance during the initial training for the service crew. Number 4, salaries, wages, and benefits after passing the training. Number 5, hiring and selection of employees. Number 6, other fees such as licenses, permits, insurance, clearance, etc. Why KHALEB is a smart franchise choice? Number 1, KHALEB franchise was established with the advocacy of empowering the entrepreneurs, providing the guidance required to establish and manage an entrepreneur's franchise. Number 2, to achieve this, Caleb partnered with Philippines franchise guru Boots Bartolome from GMB Franchise Developers. Number 3, Caleb is also registered under the Association of Filipino Franchisers Incorporated and Philippine Franchise Association to make the company highly organized, giving Caleb the readiness needed to thrive in the industry along with their franchisees. For the contact details, you may contact Caleb Shawarma by visiting their website at www.caleb.com. You may also visit their Facebook page at Team Caleb. You may call them with their mobile number 0917-6542-532 or 0925-85-78673. You may call them also on their telephone number 02986-4383. You can send them an email at franchise@caleb.com and admin@calebshawarma.com. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.